200 here. So we're just going to go up, have some fun, take a look around, and see what we can see.
Fun?
Yeah.
Is it supposed to be fun?
Oh.
Okay.
He's still complaining it's too cold out.
I can't feel my fingers.
Yeah. Alrighty.
I just wanted to add a comment to our venture yesterday in the pattern. We just wanted to work on some power settings and try out the new Tundra tires that Alan installed on the Cruzer. Also mess around with the AOA. So a walk away on our day was we came up with the power setting about 3,000 RPMs. A beam of the numbers, start the flaps. We did the flaps in increments, so we did them a beam of the numbers on base and full flaps on final. But the initial power setting and beam the numbers was 3,000. When we hit final, as you'll see in these videos, our power setting was roughly about 2,500 RPMs, 55 knots, and that worked out to be about 500 feet per minute descent, a nice descent, and at times it was like 400 feet per minute. But we dialed in the AOA. As you notice, it'll be crosshairs of roughly about 55, and long as you maintain that crosshairs, the airspeed will be rock solid at 55 with 500 feet per minute descent. So we were really pleased with that. Unforeseen thing that we both encountered was the change of tires. So Alan replaced his tires with the Tundra. Tried to say that 1,000 times. Tundra tires. They're 21-inch, and they're from Zenith. And it's unbelievable. It was a drastic change in the landings. Unless my landings and his landings are getting really good, but it was significant. It was a significant change putting bigger tires on, absorbing the landing, and it really made the landings a lot more smoother. And even rolling down the runway and taking off on the runway, it just felt a lot better. And for me, that's new. Changing tires, who knew? But anyway, I wanted to pass that along, and I'll try to, as I encounter these adventures with the Zenith, I'll try to pass along what I learned from it, and hopefully it'll help somebody out there. So with that said, we'll catch you on the next adventure.